Okay, hello everyone, my name is Andrade. At this moment I present the lesson plan about science, social science, okay? Let's start. The topic is the Renaissance, time 2 hours, skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, okay? The aim are identify what is the Renaissance and its reforms, told in explain a summary of the reforms and their most important characteristics. As a team, they should do a theatrical performance on the Lutheran Reformation. Resource, computer, video being, slides on PowerPoint, notebooks, pens, flashcard. Skills listening. Through an audio with simple vocabulary, students will learn about the topic. Speaking. Each student will explain in English what they understood from the audio. Reading. PowerPoint slides, students will read the presentation. Writing. Students will write a summary of the topic. Okay, the first activity, classroom routines, warm-up activity. The teacher teaches different flashcards of the topic and together they talk about their previous knowledge. Time, 20 minutes. Assessment, students write the main ideas to complete the information in class. Presentation stage. I would like you to understand the main idea of the theme and the characteristics, strengthen their vocabulary and develop English skills. First, do the warm-up activity. Second, explain the topic of the class through a video. Third, using a PowerPoint presentation, explain with vocabulary according to the level of the students to clarify doubts. Time, 40 minutes. With their own words, they will explain to their classmates what they understood about the topic. And in the practice stage, production stage, the different activities focus on developing student learning skills. Teen students are expected to give a presentation of the Lutheran Reformation. Time, an hour. Each group will introduce themselves best to their classmate and the teacher to demonstrate with this activity what they have learned in class. And finally, homework. Make a free drawing on the topic of the class. Personally, I think that social science is very important in the learning the students, because the sciences socials study about culture, about context, the students, and different parts of the world, because the teacher learning for teaching in different in different contexts. For example, in my immersion practice, I was teaching at the indigenous students. The context is different at my context because it's interesting for the students learning a new language. For example, they speak Nasayuwe and Spanish, and also they are learning English at the school in secondary, because at primary they are not learn English. Other things that we learn, for example, costume and different forms that clothes or different parties or celebration in different days of the year, and many things about traditional culture, and many things that the teacher must learn in the different schools that we have the opportunity to teach. Okay, no more. Thank you so much for your attention. The activities, the lesson plans are important, because we have different abilities. For example, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. That is very important to practice in the class, because there are many topics when the teacher should introduce different activities with listening, speaking, reading, writing, because the students can learn very easy, because they are develop different abilities. It's very important that the teacher have the students are very intelligent, but they can be students with different abilities. It's very important. We have in the class different strategies for develop different abilities the students. Okay, for example, I must videos, audios, activities online, tools like computer, songs, etc. Okay, no more. Thank you so much.